Good morning. Good morning. And all this stuff. Okay. Good morning. Online. Okay, so let's see what we're doing this morning. Let's go ahead and do our tips. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Carolyn Savage, and this is Savage Money Trading. And today we're going to go live. What I've been doing lately, I just kind of take you on my journey with me. I've been trading for 4 years, and today what we're doing is I go into my paper trading account when I might have issues with my strategy. The market has changed in the last like 4 months or so, and so the strategy that I was doing, I win trades, but it seemed like I was losing a lot of trades compared to winning trades. So I still lose trades, but I manage my risk. But I feel like my strategy was needing to be tweaked a little bit. So I go back to my paper trading account, and I want you guys to do. If you're new hey, there's the bell. So if you're new to trading, then I want you to start taking trades. So that's why you can just watch me take trades, and you see me win trades, lose trades. Yesterday I was down by 3,300. Then I ended the day with $1,200, and that's I like I said, I treat this as a real account, and I don't take crazy trades or anything like that. Like I said, I'm working on my strategy, so I'll take trades that I would take in my live account. This is Thinkorswim, and this is your paper trading account. You're going to start with, I think you start with, I think they give you 100,000 to start with. So I have 124,000 in this account. I had challenged myself because I'm not always in this account, but I challenged myself to get up to 200,000 in this account. And you can change this amount. So like, suppose you're going to put in $5,000 into trading, and you're going to put that into your account. You're going to start with that, or you're going to start with the 25,000. You can take this account down to 25,000. And instead, I can't reset mine right now, but you can reset it. On another video, I'm going to show you those things. But so this morning, what we're doing is we're creating the watch list. I got a late start because I'm trying to do this live on YouTube. But what I do is I get up at like 6 in the morning. Then I always meditate. I have a routine, and I meditate, work out, and then I come and I get set up so that I can research the. Let me know if this music is too loud for you. I can research. Oops, let me see something. But no, I research. Where am I? Let me change this music. Let me change this one. So anyway, I research all the stocks that I'm going to trade, and then what I do is, then make my watch list, and then I also make my plan, and I always write everything down. I write it in my journal. I will obey my stop. This is like my emotions first, and then I write down the rules that I'm going to obey. And this is what I want you guys to do. If you keep watching my channel, I want you to get into this routine and do the same thing every day. And then you come to the market and you're consistent, then you make consistent profits. So I always write down the rules that I will obey. This rule on this journal is I will obey my rule. Number 16, I had the worst time last year not obeying my rules because I was going for a prop firm challenge or evaluation, and I didn't pass, and I was just upset. But it started me to journal more, and that's why I started writing all these little sticky notes on my wall and stuff. I was like going crazy last year. I started writing all these sticky notes on my wall, and I said, "Go big, my stop." Then I just started putting out all my rules, and I have a list of them. And so I kind of just started making journals out of it. But this has helped me so much this year be more in control of my emotions so that I won't trade with fear, because I was so afraid trading in that paper trade. I mean, in that evaluation, I was just afraid. I was afraid to lose. So anyway, so you can write out rules I will obey, and then things I can work on today. So that's things I can work on, and I said be patient. Know how much I have to buy, in my stock. Like know the risk. Like sometimes what I'll do is I was putting on trades, and then I just didn't calculate them correctly. So and then so then after you get done trading, you want to do what you did right. Oops, I don't have my mic on. If it sounds crazy. Okay. But anyway, sorry about that. But so anyway, so what I'll do is I'll write down what I did right. Okay. And then I'll also have, and I'm gonna show you guys everything. In when I'll have a different screen and show you guys my journal so you can see me write my entries. But I always write in the journal, and I write out each trade that I get in. Then I'm going to write out the day, and then I write out sometime the time. When you're new, I would say write out the time that you made that trade too. Because then this is data. You're collecting data on how well you're trading and how many trades you're winning and losing. And then you're going to see, like with me, I would say like the ones that I was shooting for the moon, meaning that I was taking profit at trying to get $1 move or 50-cent move or something. That's when I would lose the trades, but I'm gonna win the trades mainly when I'm going up by 5 cents or 10 cents. So you're just gonna look at the data and that you writing on in your journal, and this is gonna be your trading log. And so you're gonna write out how many shares, what strategy are you using to get in. So if it's a dip for me or a break, and then if I analyze my own data, then I can see my break right now. My range breaks are better than my dip buys. So and then I'm going to write out the take profit, and then I also write the risk to reward, and I write the stop loss as well. So and then I'll write out my actual sale. Where did I get out? Because sometimes you might get out earlier, or if it did stop you out, or if you took profit. So then I write that out, and then I'll write out the moving cents, and I just put a plus or minus for if I won or lost. I don't always put in my I don't always put exactly how much I made and all that. I try not to focus on that. I don't know why this is not. Okay, so I don't know why that's not working. It's interesting. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so we were looking at ESKO. Let's take a look at that. Let me get my other journal. Oh, here we go. ESKO, it was yesterday's continuation from, they had a deal, Applied Digital deal. And then, so let's see, Applied Digital splits cloud, ARM forms. So that's why we was like, I always say buy the rumor, which was yesterday, and sell the news. So I don't know what is this one going to do. So I haven't really researched this one too much, but let's see what else is moving. DRMA. That was looking good. So let's see, high day is 287. Are you? Okay. Okay, so let me see this one. I'm going to change this tool. Oh, it's looking like it's going down, down, down. So I got it on the 1 hour. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to write out some information about it if I can find my pencil. How are you guys doing this morning? I am in Norfolk right now, and I thought it was going to be warm in this city, but man, it's beautiful outside, but it's cold. It's cold as hell. I don't like that. Okay, so ESKO. What happened? Oh, no, this is Germata. So Germata Therapeutic shares. Let's see. So yes, this was today. And the news on this one, or rumor on this one, was Dramata Therapeutic shares are trading higher. Chairman Gerald, whatever that says, Furl, reportedly purchased 612,745 shares at an average price of $2.04. So that's really good. Let me see. I'm just trying to see if I see something else happen. Announcing closing of up to 12 million private placement. So that's okay. So that was the rumor yesterday. They did the private placement, and then now they're naming the person that actually bought a 612 shares. And you guys can ask me any questions. Hi, my name is Carolyn. I've been trading for 4 years, and so I just started teaching on. I started on TikTok teaching and going live, and then now my thing is dying, and so going live, and then I started. I'm coming on YouTube to start teaching now, so I'll be on YouTube Tuesday. Monday's always not. You know what? Monday's a good day because the market is hot. So probably Monday and probably I'll just do Monday and Friday on YouTube, and then on TikTok I'll be on TikTok as well. So just once in a while. I think I'm just going to go once a week on TikTok. So right now we're looking at. Looks like this spiked up last night because that was probably when the news came out, or the information. I'm going to put that there. 187 is support for now that I see. That's just after the 1 hour. So it might have moved 287. So I always write the high a day is 287. And then I'm going to write the, let me see. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Five-minute time frame. Oh yeah, so look like we'll write support at about 229. So that's support there. And then it looks like it did break resistance, and now it's, so I said I have resistance at about 247. Let's say 242. So write that out. That's 242. I always write. I change it to a yellow line because I could see where it's going to break. So I do that yellow line there. I usually do this earlier, you guys. I just was like, child, I ate too much last night. Yeah. Okay. Let me put this on here. Okay, so we have that there. So I changed that 242, and you see it broke out, and then we have VWAP at 255. The purple line is VWAP, and it's at 255. It's below that. It's not looking really good. What I want to see is I definitely wanted to see maybe a pop, up to almost this higher day and then drop. But let's see. It may drop even lower. If it goes below support at 229, I'm not looking at it really, because it sounds like the rumor was that we did a private placement of the shares, and then now we know that the person that bought it in an amount. I don't know if that's not looking very good. As you see, this MACD, this is my indicator down here. And then the RSI is low, and the volume is low. So let's see. We could create an alert on this one. So we're going to come back to that one. DR. That's how I just do it. DRMA. Because there's some hot movers, I'm sure, that is better than this. So I'm going to just come back to this. If it gets up to like 240 something. Let's say I said about 243, because if it breaks that resistance, we'll just come back and look at it. I'm gonna have to What does it say? 240. Yeah, 243. Okay. So you create that alert. And if you don't know how to use Thinkorswim and you're interested in learning how to use it, then you can always go. I think there's a link in my bio. It's my link tree, and then it shows you can grab my workspace, and then you can, because it'll look just like mine. And then also you can DM me on LinkedIn or whatever. It says that you can hook up if you need a 15-minute call, because I can just kind of help you if you want. So anyway, so let's see, 242, and then that one's not looking good. So those two red candles there, and that volume is very low. So let's move on from that one. Look at ESCO. Oh my Jesus. See what I did? Or walked away. Okay, no. I thought this was something different. Okay, so DRMA support was, what was it? Let me write this stuff down before I move on, because I want you guys to continue to have this routine of writing everything down, paying attention, and not just kind of winging it, So 229 is support. The volume was not very high. I forgot what it was. I'm going to have to get my charger. Hang on a second, you guys. Good morning. How are you guys doing this morning? Let me see if I can get this. Something's going on. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Good morning. Okay, there we go. Uh-huh. All right. So, let me see. That's not right with this thing. Oh, something's not right. Something is not right. Oh, I see. I don't know what happened to this thing. We're getting this together, y'all. One way or the other. Somehow it's going to work out. Don't know how. I don't know why this is looking like this, though. I'm going to have to. Okay, hang on a second. I'm going to show this screen a little bit better. I think I might be dying. Oh, hang on, you guys. I'm gonna get my screen back. It just totally went black. I'm just trying to get this set up right. I might have to go private for a minute. Let's see. Drama. Yeah, drama dropped. Drama had drama. So looking at that one, and I was looking at EKSO. So let's see. Let me see if we can get this right. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Oh, eCam ejected. Okay, before disconnecting. Trying to do this eCam thing. Not sure what's going on.